In today's video, I'll teach you how to sign up all email login app. So first of all, what you have to do is launch up an all email login application. You can see over here it has been opened. Now once you open the application, you do not have to do anything in order to sign up for all email login. What you have to do is simply sign into various email accounts in order to manage them. You do not have to go through the separate process for signing up for all email login app. You can directly manage all your email accounts over here. You'll be able to find the options like Gmail, Yahoo, Outlook, OneMail, etc. If you tap on the option add, you'll be able to see other email accounts as well. You can simply tap on the email account that you would like to add and tap on this option add items. Now after you do that, that particular email account will be added. Now you can simply tap on any of the email account and sign in to that particular account and you'll be able to manage them. So like this, you'll be able to sign up all email login app. So that is how you sign up all email login app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.